Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I will tell us about some Temu search tricks. There are some tricks on the Temu app that you can apply and you get better results. Way better results. I'm going to show you what to do, exactly where you can search for these items, okay? Now log into your Temu app and right here inside your Temu search bar, you would see the camera icon. I highly recommend searching with, an image. Searching with an image for me is just the best way to search on the Temu app. You get exactly what you want. So let's say you saw something somewhere, you took a screenshot or you took a picture and you want to see if that thing is available on the Temu app. Click on this camera search icon. You can take a picture directly or select from your album, okay? If you already have a history of other items you've searched and you just want to, search again, you can click on search history. I'll use my search history and let's use this baby bat for example. Temu has given me all items related to the image that I inserted, and you can see there are so many types from different brands and everything. So you can actually scroll through and choose what it is you want, the one that fits what you want exactly. You can go ahead and do that. Now, this is the first step. The second step I'll actually also recommend is sorting. You can still go ahead to sort further, okay? Now, you can go by top sales. Click on top sales. Now, you're going to see those items that has received high volume of purchase. Yes, I actually love going for items that has been bought over and over again. Why? This is going to get me to my third point. Yes, you go for those items because they are going to give you the opportunity to read reviews. Reviews on the Temu app is very, very important. If you're shopping on the Temu app, do not joke with reviews at all, because from the reviews, you're going to be seeing how good or bad a product is. And then that will help you make the decision on if you should buy this product or not. So now we're on the top sales. This is my third point. Remember, we are going to search for the product that has the highest sale. Now, the first one is the one that is being sold at €21.70 with 2.8 thousand sales. We'll click on that, okay? Others have less number of sales, so we have another one here, but that is not really a full bat. That's just the bat mat. We'll just, scroll through to see other items that has been sold, 1,000 and above. And I'll just start with the first one. For this one right here, 2.8 thousand sales, let's go straight to the reviews. Just click on any review and it's going to expand. Click on the review section. Make sure you read everything. I recommend reading the first 20 reviews. With the pictures, do not forget to click on the pictures, because this is where you actually see unedited picture of these items. Because the Temu app will always, of course, you will see the edited picture, everything looking so good and nice. But in the review section, you will see the unedited pictures of these items. So from here, I can see that this item is actually looking very good. Everything I'm seeing here is very, very nice. So if I'm to buy this, I'll definitely go for this particular one. You can actually sort again via price. So if you want to buy the most expensive one or the cheapest one, just click on price and it will sort that for you, and then you can scroll and then make your choice. I hope this video has been able to help you, search better on the Temu app, because this is golden. If you learn how to do this, you're not going to have the issue of, always scrolling and wasting your time on the Temu app. No, this is going to help you choose the item in a very, very, very short time. All right. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.